Occurred around 6 weeks ago. So we've managed to get some fantastic intercept lengths and grade, and it's a material change for step-aside. It really puts it on the map, and now the team are going to focus in the period ahead on exactly where that feeder system emanates from. So there's a lot more to find out there. It's very exciting.
Hello to those tuning in to the Assay TV, where today I'm delighted to be joined by Sam Hosack, the Managing Director of Prospect Resources. Welcome, Sam.
Thank you, Katie. Thanks for having me.
Great to have you here. So just for those who are unfamiliar, can you give us a little bit of an overview of the company?
Thank you. Yes, Prospect Resources, we're a lithium-focused business. We're an ASX listed company, predominantly focused in sub-Saharan Africa, and extremely focused and interested in electrification minerals. So predominantly lithium, which has been our wheelhouse for a large number of years, but also some of the emerging electrification minerals that are new to us, but copper in particular and rare earth elements. So as it stands, Prospect Resources, we have the team that we believe can deliver on the strategy to take Prospect through the development cycle. We have the funding that we require, and we certainly have a very exciting strategy. So the ball is in our court as the team behind Prospect.
Excellent. And in terms of exploration, can you give us some of the highlights as to some exploration that's been happening at these projects?
Sure. So we have 3 projects, and we are very busy in 3 different jurisdictions. So we're in Zimbabwe with the Step-Aside project, we're in Namibia with the Omaruru project, and we're in Zambia with the Kasya project. And in Zimbabwe in particular, at the Step-Aside project, we've had some fantastic deep intersections of high-grade lithium, predominantly spodumene at the Step-Aside project. So we've got a fantastic pipeline now of activities and rigs all over the site and excited geologists all over the place. So that's going to be, great news flow forwards. In Namibia at Omaruru, we're in our 3rd program there, and we started drilling last week Wednesday. So we're progressing nicely there. Omaruru is a huge site. It's 15,000 hectares. So we've spent the better part of the year vectoring towards where the highest grade and largest volumes lie. So again, a lithium project, some fantastic intercepts that we've had so far, and we've been keeping our shareholders up to date.
Excellent. And let's look at Step-Aside. What are the next steps moving forward there?
Yeah, look, we've done a lot of the elementary scout drilling at Step-Aside. In a sense, trying to figure out exactly what the geology is doing. And I think we've had material progress on that with the Windbend discovery, which occurred around 6 weeks ago. So we've managed to get some fantastic intercept lengths and grade, and it's a material change for Step-Aside. It really puts it on the map, and now the team are going to focus in the period ahead on exactly where that feeder system emanates from. So there's a lot more to find out there. It's very exciting.
It's obviously been quite a volatile time for the markets recently, particularly with lithium. How do you feel you've fared relative to your peers?
It is indeed a difficult period. Prospect reasonably foresaw these challenges in 2022 when we completed the sale of the Arcadia project. We withheld 30 million Australian dollars, and as at our recent reporting, we're at 24 million Australian dollars. So we've got the funds to see us through this period. We did think it would be a bit tight for a couple of years, and I think that is being borne out. So yes, we probably are a little bit affected by the market, but that isn't affecting our planning. It's not affecting our execution, and our team are going full speed.
Well, as we draw closer to the end of 2023, what can our investors expect from 2024? Sure.
Look, we've got to an exciting point in both our projects, both lithium projects. There's definitely a strong possibility that we'll understand more about each of the geology there, which will be, again, very newsworthy. But I think the key thing that our shareholders have all been hanging out for is utilization of that balance sheet to acquire something more advanced and strategic. So our team have been very busy assessing the market. What are the projects that are out there? Which advanced projects lend themselves to our skills expertise. And I think 2024 is going to be the year for Prospect to take that step with a more advanced project.
It certainly sounds that way. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today. It's been great to catch up, and I hope you enjoy your event.
Thank you very much.